Here's a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, mirror-mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V8 engine. Of the Silverado 2500 heavy-duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.